Why did you call left first?
Because it's a crazy count.
I'll explain to you. He's going right first.
This, alright, when we're not going to quit and tape this, he taped it kind of an offbeat. So we always start right, but this, I'm sorry, we start left. Otherwise, it won't work. So it goes. Wait, God, let me tape this again. So it's going to go 5, 6, here we go. 5, 6, here we go. Cheek and cheek, turn it over, 2, 3, and dip. Dip, 2, 3, and clap. 1, open the right. Put your hand on your hip. Put your hand on your hip. Point you and kaholo. Now you turn your right shoulder. Turn to your right shoulder. Do the whole thing again. Henehene Kou Aka. Dip, 2, 3. Where is mark? Open your right, 2, 3. Open your left, 2, 3, 4. You and me. Turn your right shoulder front. 1 and 2. Okay? All right, let me stop. Oh. What? Here we go. Henehene Kou Aka. Dip. Over the right. Left. Point out. Lift the right shoulder. The whole thing again. Henehene. Cheek and cheek. Turn it over. Now dip. Dip, 2, 3, clap. 1, over the right. Right. Left. Point out. You. Turn forward. Next part is a kalakaua. All right. So we're going to go. We're going to go here. We're going to go. Girls are going to go 2 hands. Girls are going to go up and down and up and down. The boys go left, one stays. And the boys go up and down and up and down. Here we go. Kalakaua. 5, 6. Here we go. Forward and back and forward kaholo to the left. Stop. Turn this hand over. You've got stew in this hand. You're going to take your 2 fingers and you're going to stir up this stew and we're going to eat it. Stir the stew and eat the stew. Open the left, 2, 3. Open the right, 2, 3. Point. You. Stop. There. Figure 8. Me. May. Step. Kalakaua. Forward and back and forward. Go left. Eat your stew. Now put that into 2. There you go. Open the left, 2, 3. Open the right, 2, 3. Point. You. Figure 8. And me. Turn the right shoulder. 1 and 2. Stop right there. The girls are going to come forward on their kalakaua, and the boys are going to go back on their kalakaua. So you're going to turn back that way. Okay? So the boys, I'm a boy. Watch. We're going to go forward and back and forward and back. And then turn. Okay, so you're going to go that way. You're going back. Okay, there we go. 5, 6. From the first kalakaua. 5, 6. Here we go. Forward and back and forward. Go left. Stir your stew and eat. Now open the left hand. Open the left. Now the right. Open the right. Keep your feet going. Point to you. Now figure 8.
Boys, look happy.
Turn. 1 and 2. I'm a boy. Go forward and back. Go forward. Go left. Go left, 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 Christian. Eat your stew. Open the left. Open the right. 2, 3. Point you and me. Make sure you're not going to here we go. Forward and back and forward. Go left. Stir your stew and now you eat your stew. 2, 3. Open the left. 2, 3. Open the right. 2, 3. Point you. Figure 8. Move your hips. 1 and turn. 1 and 2. Everybody go. Now the boys stop. Boys are going to go back this way. Right foot's going to come forward. And you're going to go forward going to take that hand back and hit her hand. All right, wait. When you go forward here, and you come back, you have to hit her hand. So it's forward, hit her hand. Okay, again, from the face that way. Call the collar. Hey. 5, 6, here we go. Forward, hit her hand. Forward, now go left. Go left, 2, 3. Eat your soup, 2, 3. Open.